we've always been very deliberate about building solutions for problems versus building solutions for technology. And so, we were pretty wary, to be honest, early on about, the impact that it could have. And so we looked for really high confidence opportunities for us to add value through AI. And you'll see that job descriptions, message translation, these are like very generative use cases. And then survey summarization is another great use case for AI. They came out with somebody was talking about an example of, just sort of like summarizing thoughts or, reformatting them or finding themes. One of our customers that runs surveys with like thousands of employees was, our user was sitting down and aggregating and
Mm.
classifying all those responses by hand in
Oh,
English and Spanish. And it was
oh,
like, we can do this in seconds with
yeah.
AI. Job title validation is basically we found that Indeed in particular likes to flag jobs that have certain characteristics, like talking about bonuses or talking about like stuff that should belong in the job description, and that was impacting the visibility of those jobs. And AI was pretty good at flagging and identifying those things because it was kind of fuzzy what those things were. And so we find we're focused on the problems and then applying AI where it makes sense to those problems.
Well, what I love about that survey summarization example is whoever was doing that by hand, right? That probably wasn't the favorite part of their job, right? And so
Yeah.
not only did you improve productivity, but you got rid of something that was probably drudgery for the person doing it.
Yeah, and I think the other aspect of it is that for this particular person, from my conversation with their leadership, they were just like a super valuable employee as well. But this is like not a good use of that employee, and
Right,
also it's like it's a negative experience for that employee too. So
right,
like I think
right.
that great employees want to, do things that have a ton of leverage and a ton of impact. And so, from a just like, capacity utilization, it was not it was a big improvement. But then also from like an employee retention and experience perspective, this kind of stuff can also have a big improvement
Yeah.
as well.